how to see watch later videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see watch later videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So what happens is that maybe you have the YouTube application installed, and then let's say that you selected a certain video over here and then you added this to your watch later by just tapping this little option called save and then saving this to your watch later, right? Now you can see it's been added to my watch later. Now let's say it's already been evening, you have closed the YouTube app and now you want to find out where those watch later videos are. It's a very simple. You just have to look for the library option from the bottom right of the screen, as you can find here, and as you look for it over here you will find all this option called your videos playlist. So under this playlist tab you should be able to find watch later. So as you can see in my case, under my playlist tab is watch later. Here are all the videos that I have said that I might want to watch later in the past. So this way you'll be able to find all the watch later videos on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next videos.